The traction control system and electronic stability control are critical safety features in modern vehicles. These systems work together to prevent wheel spin during acceleration and maintain vehicle stability during cornering. When the traction control light illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates a problem within the system that requires attention. This warning light appears as a car with skid marks or the letters ESC or TCS. Understanding the most common causes of traction control failures helps with proper diagnosis. Wheel speed sensors account for 42% of all failures, making them the primary culprit. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic systems. Some newer models support wireless diagnostics and even AI-powered systems that can predict failures before warning lights appear. To properly diagnose traction control issues, start with a systematic approach. First, check for additional warning lights and note any changes in vehicle handling. Then perform a basic visual inspection before using diagnostic tools. Remember that proper diagnosis is crucial before attempting any repairs. Professional diagnostic tools achieve 95% accuracy compared to 60% for generic tools. Always record error codes before clearing them to ensure effective troubleshooting. There are 3 main methods to reset your traction control light, each with different success rates. The basic battery disconnect method has a 60% success rate. Using an OBD scanner achieves 85% success, and manual calibration reaches 90% success. Method 1 is the basic battery disconnect procedure. Turn off your engine, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 30 minutes, then reconnect and drive above 15 miles per hour while performing figure-8 maneuvers. Method 2 uses an OBD scanner for more reliable results. Connect the scanner, navigate to the ABS or ESC system, read and clear error codes, then perform the system relearn procedure as prompted by the scanner. Method 3 is manual calibration with the highest success rate. Ensure your vehicle is on level ground. Turn the steering wheel fully left and right 3 times. Start the engine, then drive straight and perform gentle S-curves to recalibrate all sensors. Always diagnose the root cause before attempting any reset. Seek professional help if the warning light returns within 100 miles. If you see multiple system warnings, notice performance changes, or encounter complex error codes indicating internal ECU faults. Prevent future issues with regular maintenance. Change brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Clean wheel speed sensors annually during tire rotations. Keep ECU software updated, and maintain your battery and charging system in good condition.